In today's video, we are going to do a warm-up with all 6 types of turns: 3 turns, brackets, rockers, counters, twizzles, and loops. We will begin with forward, outside, and backward, outside 3 turns combined with power pulls and cross strokes. Start with a forward, outside 3 turn. After the 3 turn, perform a power pull from the backward inside edge to the backward outside edge, turning your upper body outside the circle. Finish the half circle by stepping into cross in front on the backward outside edge, moving into the next circle and changing your shoulders at the same time with the cross. When you finish the second half circle, do a backward cross roll followed by a backward outside 3 turn on the next circle. After that, start again a forward outside 3 turn on the same foot. Execute this exercise on one foot on one side of the ring, then switch feet and repeat on the other foot on the opposite side. This exercise improves your backward outside edges, twist positions, extensions, and transitions into the jumps. The second exercise will include a forward inside double 3 turn, followed by a mohawk, a 2-foot transition, a backward crossover, a backward double inside 3 turn, a power pull, chuck towel, backward outside 3 turn, forward inside bracket, and another chuck towel. This is a slightly complicated step sequence. Let's break it down in slow motion. Step into forward inside 3 turn and exit into backward outside edge. Perform a backward outside 3 turn, keeping your free leg in front, gliding on a forward inside edge after. Next, perform a forward inside to backward inside mohawk, followed by a 2-foot transition on a backward inside edge. Do a backward crossover, bring your feet closer together and rotate your upper body into a back inside 3 turn. Follow with a forward outside 3 turn, then perform a power pull from the backward inside edge to the backward outside edge, changing your shoulders and circles. Continue with a backward outside to forward inside chuck towel, followed by another chuck towel from forward inside to backward outside edge. Finish the sequence with a backward outside 3 turn, a forward inside bracket, and a back outside to forward inside chuck towel. This exercise will help you improve your edge control, transitions, and body alignment while executing complex step sequences. After this, we will work on brackets starting from the forward outside edge. Focus on edges, power pulls, and inside brackets to start. Push into forward outside edge, transition to a power pull into the inside edge, and then perform a forward inside bracket. Next, push into a backward outside edge, power pull into the inside edge, and perform a backward inside bracket. Now we will switch to brackets outside, both forward and backward. Start from a forward inside edge, perform a power pull, then a forward outside bracket. Push into backward inside edge, rotate your upper body outside the circle, perform a power pull, and finish with a backward outside bracket, keeping your shoulders into the circle while you're doing the bracket. Then switch your feet with forward inside edge and start sequence from opposite foot. This exercise is excellent for improving your edge control, balance, and turn precision. By combining brackets with power pulls, you will develop stronger edge quality and fluid transitions, which are essential for advanced skating. You can find more videos for skating skills if you click on the link above or look in the description below. Next, we will move on to a rocker and counter combination, starting with forward rockers and backward counters. Begin with a forward outside rocker, cross in front, and follow with a backward inside counter. Complete the half circle after the counter, then step onto the opposite leg for a forward inside rocker and immediately push into a backward outside counter. Now reverse the pattern, starting with forward counters followed by backward rockers. Perform a forward outside counter, cross in front, then a backward inside rocker. Complete the half circle, step onto the other foot for a forward inside counter, and finish with a backward outside rocker. Rockers and counters exercises are a great warm-up as they involve significant body twisting, ankle bending, and edge precision. If you find these videos helpful, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to stay updated with new helpful content. The next exercise focuses on twizzles and loops. Perform a forward outside twizzle, exiting on a back inside edge. Step onto the other foot for a backward inside loop, then perform a forward crossover on the next circle. Step back onto the same foot for a forward inside twizzle, exiting backward, followed by a cross roll and a backward outside loop. Then push under, step forward into forward outside edge, perform a forward cross roll, and start twizzle from other foot. Forward outside twizzle, step on other foot into backward inside loop, forward crossover, then step again into forward inside twizzle, exiting backward, performing backward cross roll into backward outside loop. For the last exercise, reverse the pattern by starting with backward twizzles, exiting forward, followed by forward loops. Begin with a forward outside 3-turn transition on 2 feet, and then, using the same foot as the 3-turn, perform a backward outside twizzle on the next circle, exiting forward inside. Step onto the opposite leg for a forward inside loop, then perform a forward inside mohawk on the next circle and push onto the other foot for a backward inside twizzle, exiting forward outside. Finish by stepping onto the other foot for a forward outside loop. Transition with forward outside cross roll and start sequence from other foot. Forward outside 3-turn, 2-foot glide, push back outside into backward outside twizzle, exit forward inside, push into forward inside loop from other foot, forward inside mohawk into backward inside twizzle from other foot, finish on forward outside, and then step into forward outside loop. Thank you for joining me in today's warm-up with all 6 types of turns. These exercises are designed to improve your edge control, body alignment, and precision while mastering advanced skating techniques. Practice each sequence slowly at first, focusing on clean execution, and gradually increase your speed as you gain confidence. For more detailed tutorials, exclusive content, and personalized feedback, visit my website at styleskating.com and explore my membership options. Keep practicing, and I see you in the next video.